This is our aromatherapy eye pillow, and it's made with the finest silk available. It's actually called a charmeuse or a suede silk that's very soft to touch. Silk is actually a natural fiber, so it has a nice natural vibration, but it also has a cooling sensation to the eyes. What's inside the eye pillow gives it its gentle weight. There's flaxseed that gives a gentle weight, so that's compression for the eyes, which helps to relieve tension in the eyes. And then also there are herbs in the pillow, and that is lavender, chamomile, peppermint, and rose petals. Those are mixed with the flaxseed, and when you crinkle the herbs, you can smell the aroma, mostly of the lavender mint, because the chamomile and rose are very subtle, but they're in there energetically and vibrationally. The eye pillow is placed over the eyes very gently, and you can then press it into the eyes to provide that compression, that gentle compression, to relieve tired eyes and tension in the eyes from working at your computer or looking at your smartphones all day, and just the excess stimulation that we all are dealing with in our day-to-day. The aromatherapy eye pillow is so versatile. It's great for travel. A lot of travelers bring it along with them, and then after a day of busy meetings or long travel day and jet lag or going through different time zones, they'll use the eye pillow, place it over their eyes as they lay down on their bed for maybe 5-10 minutes, taking a quick cat nap before they go out for their evening activities. It's also really wonderful to take it to your yoga class. Many yoga studios have a box full of some kind of eye pillows, and they've been used over and over again. But if you have your own yoga mat, you should have your own eye pillow too. And it's really great for headache tension and just relieving mental tension when we're working really hard or studying hard. It's just a great way to relax and give yourself a few minutes of just subtle, quiet relaxation time and meditation.